So what are the types of companies that hire digital analysts? It's pretty much everybody. The distinction is client side. When I say client side, that's a company, say Amazon, that doesn't sell it web analytics services or product to other companies. So Amazon, Microsoft are considered client side. Tool vendors are companies like Adobe, which has Omniture, WebTrends, Google Analytics. There are consulting companies which are specifically dealing with digital analytics consulting. They'll do tool implementation, like solution architect kind of work, reporting and analysis. And there are digital agencies. These agencies do full digital work. They build websites, banner ads, or do other digital marketing services, such as search. They also have a need for digital analysts. So there are tons of opportunities, and it depends on what you want to do. I'm going to go through pros and cons of working at each type of company. Client side. Pros are you are integrated into a company and its business. So you understand that company, that business. You're working in that company. You gain knowledge about specific company and could be working in a group that can help you grow. So if they have a large analytics group, they'll help you grow. If it's a small organization, then you might not get that much support. And the cons are experience is limited to one company and vertical. So if you work for Microsoft, that's one company and the vertical is technology. Not to say that can't be applied to other companies. People do migrate all the time, but that's what you're doing. Their business, how the tool gets implemented, how the KPIs are defined, how the reports are done, that's all limited to that company. And you might be limited to just one or two tools, generally one tool. If they're using Google Analytics, that's what you will end up using. And you'll become expert at that, but it's one tool. Then there are tool vendors. Working for a vendor, such as Google Analytics or WebTrends or Omniture, you become expert in the tool offered by the company. Because that's what you're doing. You're helping your clients get the value using the tool your company offers. You could be working in a group that can help you grow because generally they have a large consulting organization that'll help you become better since you also have to help your clients. So it's in their benefit to actually train you and make you better. But the cons are you're limited to one vendor. That's the tool you know. And if that vendor goes out of business, you have to learn new skills. And generally, in these organizations, you're limited to technical implementation like a solution architect. Though many of these vendors have started offering analysis services as well. But majority of their work is technical implementation of the tool. If that's the track you want to go, then I would suggest go pick a vendor. Then there are agencies and consulting companies. I've combined them together, kind of think about them. Lot of different clients, variety of verticals they work with. So you get to work with different kind of verticals, different kind of clients. There are lots of roles available, technical, client management, analytics. You do analysis, or you might just manage clients and provide them thought leadership, or just do technical implementation, whichever suits you. Opportunity to work with various tools because they are dealing with whatever tools the clients have. Cons are too many clients to manage and work with. And this becomes a pain for many consultants. Engagement at times can be very shallow and limited to agency offering. Engagements at times can be very shallow and limited to just what agency offers. So if they offer just website design, that's all you'll be measuring. And you have to not only measure that, but you have to show that that's actually working. So you have to tell a story that actually backs up whatever the work agency did. So you must be wondering, what is the right job for you? Well, it's a personal preference. What do you want to do? What do you feel comfortable? What kind of environment? If you like to focus on just one job, then go ahead and work for a client. If you like to focus on just one tool and get really better at it and you like the technical implementation, go work for a vendor. If you like to get a feel of what different clients look like, what kind of work to do, then I would say go work for a consulting or an agency. Whichever company you choose, make sure you will have guidance, because if you're starting in a career, you want to make sure that you are not left alone to figure everything out. Make sure you will have training opportunities. That's the way to grow. So figure that thing out before you go and take a job. You need opportunity to grow. You don't want to be stuck doing reporting for entire life. You want to grow. So figure that out. Find out what the growth pattern has been for people who have been working there. My suggestion is don't chase money in the beginning. You might get a lot of money when you're working for a consulting company or an agency. Why? Because they bill you and they make money. But that might not be the right opportunity for you. Don't chase money. Your goal is to learn and grow. So figure that out.